if you're learning Excel for job, office work, and computer skills. So, more this another three formula are extremely important in MS Excel. In today's video, I'll teach you three count formula, that is count, counta, and step by step practical training. Hello everyone, welcome to Florican Careers Academy. Myself Anis Fatima, Managing Director of Florican Careers Private Limited. On this channel, we teach students computer related skill, MS Office, Advanced Excel, AI tools, digital marketing, and many more career oriented courses too. So let's start today Excel tutorial. So guys, first we'll see what is count function. What is the definition? The count function count only the cell containing numeric values. Okay, and what is the uses of count? Count student marks, count sales figure, count employee IDs if it is numeric. Okay, so now we'll see the count a function. What is count a function? The definition is the count a function counts all non-empty cells. Uses of count a: count employee names, count fill form, count customer record, count attendance entry, count all entered data. Now, for example, we'll take one data assignments for applying this count formula. Like I'll take one number 100 to 50 and I'll write one alphabet word here, Mr. Amit. Then again numeric value 300 and one cell I'll keep blank. So guys, we'll apply the count formula. just i'm do just I'm doing this formatting, so we'll up and this I'm keeping the blank cell, so we'll apply the count formula. Now we'll start with equal to count, bracket open, just drag this cell and bracket close. You can see here the answer we are getting is 3. Why? Because count only count numbers. You can see 100 to 50, 300. This 3 number has counted by the count. It ignored the text. For example, this text Mr. Amit has been ignored and the blank cell. So it has ignored Mr. Amit cell and the blank cell. Only the numeric value 100, 250 and 300 has been counted by the count formula. Is this we got the answer for the count formula. Again with the same sheet, we will calculate count A formula. We will see same data for the count A too. Here we need to write equal to count A. You will get the option of all the formula. Once you write the like 2-3 alphabet, you will get the option below. Just you need to click and a bracket will get open. And just drag all the cell till blank cell and close the bracket. You can see the answer, the result is 4. Why the result is 4? Count a count numerical and also the alphabet values, because all are the field cells. Here it has been in count it has been counted only numeric, but here in count a it count all the field cells. So that is the reason we got the answer here 400, 250, Amit and 300. This is the reason we got 4 counts in count a formula. In we'll see the second assignment in a different sheet. For example, we'll create one student data. So I'll write the student ID. Then we can write the student name. Then marks. Just for example, you can write any like 10101 ID, 102, 101, and this is 102, and just drag this till 108 we can keep, and keep one cell empty. Just delete 107 for applying the two formulas, count and counted. And you can write here name. You can say Amit, Nisha, Ravi, Sneha, Pooja, Kiran and Rahul. And marks we can write 85, 90, 75, 80, 95, 70, 88, 65. This is our student data for counting, count and count A formulas. So guys, here I will be writing the count and here count A. So we will apply these two formulas for this assignments. And the first question for count is count total numeric student ID equal to count. Select this and student ID, drag all these cells. So you will be getting the answer is 7. And the question second, count total marks enter equal to count and just drag all the total marks and you will be getting the answer. The count is 8. And the third question is here we want all the count cells of student ID and the marks. So equal to count, select and drag all the data of student ID and marks, close the bracket. So you will be getting the count of 15. And see, if you want to count the student name but you will be not getting any answer because already I told you in count alphabetic words are not counted. So we'll just take example and try equal to count, select and select all the student name and close. And see, here you will be getting the answer is 0, no count because it don't count the alphabetical words. Now move to the count a formula. So for that, question 1, count total student ID enter. So equal to count A and drag all the student ID, close the bracket, enter. You will be getting the same 7 counts. And the question 2, count total student name equal to count A, select and drag all the student name and close the bracket. And see, you can get the 7 student name count. And the differences in count and counta you can see here. Here it is 0 because it don't count alphabetical words, and here we can get the 7 count in count A because it count all the alphabetical value and non-empty cells. And question 3 is here count the total marks equal to count A bracket open, drag all the count A, drag all the marks, bracket close, enter the same answer. You will be getting 8 count as you got in count formula. So guys, we have learned today two formula, count and county. Just I'll give a short brief about this. Count only numeric values. Count A, count all non-empty cells. Count does not count text. This count a count text values. Count dates. This also count dates. This ignore blank cell. This also count a ignore blank cell. Used for numeric data. Used for all entered data. So I hope you like what exactly is the count, how to apply formula for this two, count and count a. So more videos on the way guys, keep watching. So assignment for you, add more 5 columns and you can calculate the 3 count formula, count, count a. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be connected, more videos related to computer skills and career oriented courses. Thank you for watching.